Hello friends, let's see the results of Sun in the 8th house in Taurus Ascendant. In the Taurus Ascendant, number 2 is written in the Lagna or the first house. Sun is the lord of the 4th house where number 5 the sign Leo is written, and Sun is placed in the 8th house where number 9 is written. 9 is the sign Sagittarius which belongs to Jupiter. Now, the 8th house is not a good house. As we know, the 6th, 8th and 12th house. These three houses are the bad houses in a horoscope which give bad results, and 8th house is the worst of all. With Sun in this position, Sun will give all kind of negative results, problems, obstacles, disappointments, defeats to the person. The person will become very secretive in this period. The person will become distrusting. He will not trust anyone, whatever anyone is saying. So much so that in extreme cases, the person may not believe what he is saying himself. Now, as we can see, this is the sign Sagittarius, and Sagittarius sign is a fiery sign. And Sun itself is a fiery planet. So it increases the fire inside a person. It gives a person a lot of anger, and person will get into fights and quarrels with everyone. The Sun represents the self-respect and self-esteem, self-confidence of a person. With Sun in this position, the self-esteem, self-confidence of the person may go either to very low levels, or second effect can be the person can become very egoistic. Regarding the medical issues, there will be medical problems related to Sun, that is heat of the Sun, and the person will have a hot constitution. Person may face acidity problems, ulcers in the stomach. Sun can also give problems regarding the heart of the person or the bones. From the 8th house, Sun will aspect the second house. Second house represents our eyes, especially the right eye. So there can be issues with the eyes of the person. The 8th house also represents our getting money. Money with pain. What it means is all the money which comes to us lump sum, but has some pain attached to it, like losing someone. So the 8th house represents our inheritance. So during this period of Sun, the person will gain some money in inheritance, or he will gain some money from LIC, insurance policies, and these type of things. For the mother of the person will have magnetic personality, impressive personality. She will have a lot of self-confidence. She would be creative. She would be intelligent. She would want to go on amusement. She would want to go to parties, cinema, movies, theatre, art exhibitions, and these type of things. For the father, this position is not a good position because the 9th house represents the father, and Sun is the lord of the 4th house, which is 8th from the father, and is placed in the 12th house from the father. So this combination will create a lot of issues for the father. During this period, the father may develop a quarrelsome nature, or have a lot of fights or accidents, and may be hospitalized during this period. Also, father can have monetary losses during the period, and the father can go abroad also during this period. So with so many bad effects coming, it is necessary to do remedies of Sun in this case. So please watch the video till the end, where I will mention the remedies what are to be done if Sun is in this position. The 8th house also represents factory production. These are the good aspects of the 8th house. Like every other house, every house does not have all good or all bad significations. There are some good significations also. So the 8th house good signification is factory production. In case the person is involved in producing something, creating something, making something in the factory, then it can give better results. The 8th house also represents occult studies. So during this period, the person will become very interested in occult studies. He will like to study astrology, old scriptures, Reiki, numerology, etc. If you have Sun in this position, then please remember to do the remedies of the Sun. That is, give wheat or jaggery to any poor man on Sunday afternoons. I'll repeat this. Donate wheat or jaggery, only one of these things, to any poor man on Sunday afternoons. Also, if you have Sun in this position, never wear ruby. Ruby is the stone of Sun. Never wear rubies, because if you wear ruby with Sun in this position, it will increase all the bad effects, your accidents, obstacles, everything bad is going to increase. So never wear ruby if you have Sun in the 8th house, not only in this ascendant but in any other ascendant. That's all about Sun in the 8th house. Thank you so much.